Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Janae's Journey. I'm Janaea Simone. Today I'm going to be vlogging me and my nephews. My sister's leaving them here for a couple days, so I'm going to, be their mommy for a couple days, see how this goes. I'm going to be vlogging on my phone. I have the iPhone 11 Max Pro. I don't use this camera enough, so I'm going to be vlogging on this today. So hope you guys enjoy whatever we do today. I don't know, but make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right now so you can stay tuned for the rest of the video. Y'all, I just came from changing a really stinky boo-boo diaper. Come up to my room, and my nephew takes the dang S off my Janae's Journey and thought it was funny. You know how hard I worked to get these up here? And he thought it was funny to just take it off the wall. Now I gotta re-stick the thing. Oh. What's wrong? Oh, you scared of the lawnmower? You need help with what's it? Hey, stop it. Stop. Sit down. No. Stop it. Stop. Do y'all see this? This baby, don't wipe it on your face. He's thinking about it. Okay, now we gotta wipe this off of you, Sedanis. This is my second cup of coffee in the last 3 hours. Hopefully this will help me start my day at almost 4 o'clock. Now we're gardening, fixing up our home garden. Got my nephews, my mom, we're fixing up our palm trees, giving them some more space to grow.
Make the coolest picture.
This is the coolest picture, besides I'm recording.
So we need some more soil in this one.
Okay.
Okay, PT gardening, but she just knocked over everything on the side of us, but we're gonna start over.
All right, you guys, day 2. It's 9 a.m. The baby just crawled over my head to get out the bed, and he's somewhere doing something. So, yep, here we go. Watch out for the baby. Don't, Sydney.
You have to be. Here you go. Good job.
Woo!
Yes.
Good job.
It's you next, Joe. Nice.
Yes. There you go. Oh, there you go. I'm here at the park with these guys. They're trying to get me to play football. Doing hecka much. Throwing stuff at me. Like,
You're gonna go straight, stop, and go over there. Nope. On your right, yeah?
Uncle,
You going this way, baby?
Yes. You go straight, but I'm gonna be throwing on this side. Hold on, Papa.
Uncle,
Yeah.
the baby has grass on her back.
Yeah, it's alright. He's a boy. So Mama. No, you don't go
Are you
like that.
taking
Just like
pictures?
this. Okay?
Did your mom give you your phone?
Mama, look. Come. America, you don't be in the game?
Yeah, I do. You
You're not.
me.
We're going to do it straight like this.
Okay.
That's what we have to. The goal is over there.
Okay.
Uncle,
So,
Okay, then I got it.
no, you don't. Why you trying to argue?
Uncle,
So you go straight,
Uncle.
stop a little bit, and just go over there.
That's what I'm saying. Why are you moving your finger this way?
So you can know.
I'm going that way though, so you'll be moving your finger.
No,
that
it's
way.
supposed to be. You have to deal with it. I have to throw, but they take have more space.
Uncle.
It's a game, boy.
Am I not?
You're not
we're
following it.
understanding. It's okay. Let's just see how this goes.
Uncle.
This is how you do it. Look. You go straight.
Yeah.
Just go with me. One like couple of feet and turn it right away.
Turn
Like,
that way.
like
Oh, okay. That's all I'm saying.
Ah.
That's what I'm saying. Am I going that way or that way?
I was telling you this way.
Okay.
If I say go like this, go that way. If I say go that way, that way. If I
Okay,
go
that's
straight
what I was
and
trying
stop.
to clarify.
All right.
Cindy,
So,
you recording me?
Yeah.
Okay.
so you go.
Okay. And
All
that
right.
way. Can we
Yep.
go that way, please?
Why?
Because I don't know how to catch this.
It doesn't matter. It's
All
just a
right.
play.
Whatever. Let's go.
All right. You gotta turn like this.
Why?
You gotta turn like this. All right. Stop. What's it? Why you? Oh my God. All right. Here's the cue, you know.
Throw it to me?
Oh my God. What are you scared for? Hey, you gotta stay here. I don't.
Okay. Your turn.
Okay, you guys, so the kids went home last night. I learned several things this weekend. Kids are messy. They are so messy. They are super loud, super needy. But I had a lot of fun. Also, football is not for me. But I had a lot of fun with my nephews. But as far as being a mommy, right now, boo-boo diapers, it's not for me. Not right now. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching my weekend of me being a mommy. It was fun. It was different. It was fun though. So yeah, you guys, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right now and tell me what you think about being a mom, about the video, whatever it is. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.